Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. My name is Matt Pence and today you're going to be watching how to install a toilet. We're going to make it quick, simple, and easy. We're going to put an American Standard toilet right here and it shouldn't take any more than about 10 or 15 minutes. Some of this already comes with the toilet. You will get a wax ring with the bolts included, the covers. The additional items that I purchased was the supply line. This is a 12-inch, depending on the height of your water coming in the room will determine how long of a hose you need to connect to your toilet tank. I bought these Fluid Master bolts that are adjusting. They go up to 2 1/4 to 1.5 inches. These are really nice. They're solid brass. I'll leave a link in the description below for these. To tighten them, I have a 14mm ratchet wrench, and you may also need a Phillips screwdriver or a flathead screwdriver. The toilet seat comes, the back cover for the tank, and then to fasten your toilet seat to the commode itself, it comes with that packet of screws. So let's go ahead and get started installing this. The first thing we're going to do is put the wax ring onto the floor, and then we're going to lift the toilet directly on top of it. You only get one shot at this. Let's take our wax ring out of the box and position it onto the toilet flange on the floor. It comes with these bolts, but I tend to purchase the heavier duty ones that I mentioned a little bit ago. Okay, you're simply going to center it over top of your drain, firmly press it down so it doesn't shift on you. And then the next thing we're going to do is put our bolts into our toilet flange and slide them over so that when we go to set our toilet on top, we're going to do it all in one motion. And after we set the toilet, we're not going to move the toilet, otherwise you'll break the airtight seal up against the toilet. We're going to get these bolts and we're going to put them in our flange. Okay, these do adjust. You only need one pack, but here's a locking nut, and you can raise it to the height you need, and you can lower it. So depending on the thickness of your floor, I went with I believe this is 13mm flooring, but say you were doing tile with a 1/4 inch thick grout and then a 1/4 inch tile, you know, this would allow you to adjust that to a 1/2 inch higher or lower depending on your need. So we're going to keep ours probably right in this area somewhere here. We'll dial these down and separate it, and then you're going to take it and you're going to slide it around to the proper side that you need it at right there, and then you can still raise and lower it. Do the same on this side. Okay, they need to be perfectly across from one another, approximately right there. And now we're ready to set our toilet. All right, here we go. Alright, I can feel the wax ring. It's sitting on the wax ring. I got the bolt centered in the flange. Now all we're going to do is apply pressure, and we're going to sit on the toilet. Alright, and I felt it seat all the way to the floor. So the next thing we're going to do is adjust our bolt height if it's not at the correct height, which it looks really good right now. Okay, once you get your toilet centered on the bolts, put your metal washer down first, do your plastic finishing washer that the plastic cap's going to go fasten to, and then we're going to tighten this up. Take our plastic cap, I hook it from the back and then push the front down. and we have completed fastening the toilet to the floor. Okay, we have our toilet sitting on the floor nice and sturdy. The next thing I want to do, so that I'm not working in a tight space, is go ahead and pre-connect my water supply line to the tank. Make sure you don't over tighten these because it's plastic male threads going to a metal female, and hand tight is all you need on these because there's a rubber gasket in them. So next we'll go ahead and set the tank on top of the back of the toilet. That's it, everybody. Thank you very much for watching how to install a toilet. I will leave the links down below on some of the items that I used for the installation of this. The wax rings, the bolts, the ratchets, the socket sizes. I'll leave a few things down there for you to make it easy and convenient for you if you're going to tackle something like this at your house. That's all I got for you. And if you'll excuse me, nature's calling.